Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alright, 4S is in, and here we go. Okay, good. Now the cover installed right. Everything looks good. Let's check the CG. Slightly nose heavy. Will do. Okay, we should have more power now. Okay, 4S flight. I hope we don't burn the ESC. Nice floater, man. Very nice floater. And we will punch up the power here. There we go. Just a few bumps and we are up. I will have to set the elevator trims so I don't have to actually control too much while nose dives. It's nose heavy now, but now I have plenty of power in hands. I'm using like 50% throttle to keep it in the air. Before I was using 75% throttle to keep it in the air on 3S. Sweet plane, man. Very beautiful plane. More elevator trim, but it still goes nose down. Turning with the rudder is sweet. Man, I love seaplanes. I should have brought my I did bring the battery and radio, but I didn't bring my Icon A5. I should go home and bring the Icon A5. I haven't flown that plane for a long time. That plane is amazing. And today is the best day to fly RC planes in the water, or seaplanes. Man, this is an agile bird. Really nice controls. Flies really good. I think it's time we can do FPV now. Water FPV. How does that sound? Water FPV sounds really nice. Let's land it and take off again. That's the beauty on these water planes, huh? One moment. I'm having fun actually. I'll bring it from there. Big long turn. Make an approach. Sun shines my face on my face. Throttle low. Beautiful. Touch and go. Hey bug, please leave me alone. My eye is not your country. Don't go in my eye without visas. Okay, let's do one more pass. Man, why I didn't find this plane before? It's absolutely a charming plane. Oh! This is not good. This is not very good. I lost my other thing right there as well. Trying to turn it around. Okay, got stuck there. I gotta now swim to get my plane back. Plane is right there, few meters, but it's stuck in the grass. And the waves trying to take it out, but the wind is pushing it back. I was trying for it to just turn the nose a little and I could bring it out, but nah, it's not turning the nose. So, I gotta swim to save my plane. Swim today, baby. Alright, sometimes you gotta swim to get your beloved RC back. I didn't have to swim, but I did fall in the water. Hey, the plane is still alive and kicking. Check it out. So I just want to give it one more flight. Man, this is absolutely a beautiful plane to fly. It was my fault actually. I was coming too low, and instead of the belly, I touched the bottom, the wing. I touched the wing and it changed its course and went into those bushes. Woo! Ground effect, baby. Uh-oh, I touched that cola bottle. Ooh, it is an aerobatics plane. Very agile and nice. So, my bottoms are feeling cold now, but hey, I want to enjoy the flight. On 4S, this thing is rock solid flyer, man. On 4S, it's beautiful. This kind of T-tail is not good to fly inverted, but hey, it's aerobatics capable. Touch and goes are beautiful. And making a right turn. More rudder, more aileron. Into the winds. Low throttle. Ground effect. Gotta go more low for the ground effect. Superb plane, man. Alright, far enough to do some ground effect now, low level. This is ground effect. Sweet, man. What a sweet bird. Let's land and go up so I can go home and change clothes before I catch cold. Today has been a very, very nice day. I enjoyed the TFO hobby boat, I enjoyed the Vector Pro, and I enjoyed this plane, which is beautiful seaplane. Turn, come on, turn, baby, turn.
上得去。
我玩过。拿着什么？